What is going on, guys? It is TGV Russ here. We're going to be doing a little point of view drive, a motor vlog, a trike vlog on our mini trike. So this is the 2022 TGV mini trike, the 212 Ghost Edition. We have, like I said, the Predator Ghost on there. We have the Pro Taper bars. Give you guys a little bit of a walk around here. The Maxxis tires. We have the wheelie bars in the back, custom made exhaust, and the custom made axle, along with a hydraulic single disc brake in the back. Our frames and the full builds are for sale on tgvshop.com, so if you guys are interested, go there and check it out. We're out here in the field, the little yard beside our shop. The shop's up there. Guys are working hard to get the orders out, but we're going to do this little POV drive here. This is my third attempt at this, so hopefully the settings are right and the angle looks good. So we're going to do a little bit of ripping around the yard here. We're going to take it easy for a lap or two. We'll open her up and then we'll do a little bit of wheelies and show you guys exactly what kind of fun you're going to have on a mini trike like this. So I'm not going to choke it. I've had it running. Actually ran on the gas earlier. So give it a little bit of gas on the throttle. Forward. Good to go. Got our hand brake right here, finger brake, kill switch. So let's go do a quick lap around, just easy. So this is only about quarter throttle. Guys, these things are so much fun. They're so much fun to rip around the yard. You gotta get used to them. You can't just throw a beginner on one of these things and you know, you gotta get a little time on them. She's a wild animal. You gotta tame her like a wild horse. So we've been ripping the crap out of this thing, and this Predator Ghost has been no hiccups at all, no problems. So let's do a couple more laps. Got a little bit of weather coming in here, but I think we're doing good. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys are thinking. I'll try and roll on the throttle a little more. Oh yeah! Woo. Ah, that wasn't a good one. Well guys, thanks for watching the video. Drop a comment, let me know what you thought. These things are a blast. If you want one, go over to tgvshop.com and pick up a frame or a full build. We'd love to get one in your hands. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one real soon. Peace.